Did you just get RSUs from your company as part of your bonus? It can literally feel like winning the work lottery. It's a great feeling, but sometimes it can have the same pitfalls as lottery winnings if you fail to plan. In fact, if you fail to plan, that big windfall of yours could be gone now before you know it. So let me throw something interesting at you. The Harvard Business Review says that more than half of people under the age of 35 value equity compensation as really important when switching jobs. Tech companies are known for giving a large percentage of their compensation payments through stock awards, but it's also common for publicly traded companies across industries to do the same. Stock comp can absolutely be a really important part of your overall compensation and can help you and your family create long term wealth. But as with anything, there are themes to be aware of and consider as you're managing your career. For example, we'll talk about something called concentration risk in a minute. But let's start with those RSUs. Restricted stock units, or RSUs, can be a great way to build wealth and incentivize you to stay with your employer for longer. But you need to know how to get the most out of them. So I'm going to throw three keys to RSUs at you. First, we want to start by understanding your vesting schedule. RSUs vest over time, and this means you won't have access to all of your shares, i.e., that money, right away. So it's important to take time now to figure out your vesting schedule so you can make a plan. Two, there are tax implications. When your RSUs vest, they're taxed as ordinary income, meaning you could owe a significant amount to Uncle Sam at that time. So you may want to contact a tax professional or a financial advisor now so that you're prepared later. And last of all, don't underestimate the benefits of diversifying your investments. RSUs are 100% a great way to build wealth, but they also concentrate your investments and large chunks of your wealth in one company. And given its importance, it's always worth considering diversification and diversifying your savings across different assets and classes to have a more balanced portfolio. And that's where we can help at Vidarrow. We work with clients on these three keys every day, and we can help you too. Start by reaching out, and we'll be in touch. So remember, equity compensation like RSUs, it can be a really valuable tool to building wealth, but you want to understand the risks and rewards before making any decisions that could end up being really costly. And hey, let me just say this. If you're in a spot where you're receiving RSU grants, absolutely great job on all the hard work. Trust me, you're crushing it. Take care.